Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to block someone on Instagram if they have already blocked you. So let's dive right in. Unfortunately, there's no way to directly block someone who has already blocked you on Instagram. Since they've restricted your access to their profile, the standard blocking method won't work. Here's what you can do in this situation. Even if you're blocked, the message thread with the person will still be there on your end. First, open Instagram on your phone. Click the messenger icon on the top right corner, and then open the chat and tap on the View Profile option. Click the three dots in the top right corner. There might be a block option here too, so block it. This is only a last resort, and creating multiple accounts might violate Instagram's terms of service. And there you have it. Using this method, you can block someone on Instagram if they have already blocked you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech adventures. Thanks for watching.